Hi everyone, I am Sameha from Scraps and T-shirts. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna share with you how to make this beautiful butterfly. So let's get started.
Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again.
To make this, I'm taking a 15 cm paper and folding like this. And now I'm cutting the corners like this. Now I'm sticking like this. Give it some time to dry the glue. And it's ready. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you so, please give us a big thumbs up. How was the video? Comment below. And please subscribe the channel. It means a lot for us. No more today. Thanks for watching.